the Hastak or movements of the hand, which are the basic building blocks of a dance. So moving ahead, we will be using all these Hastak to make bigger pieces. The Hastak we are covering are a mix of some which are circular in nature, which means that we turn our hands. So we will turn the wrist as well as our hands, and some which are sharper, which are straight lines. So let's start. The first one is an upward movement called the Urdhva Hasta Chakra. Starting again with Utpatti, we bring our hands into position and we start always with the right. So drop, let the mudra loose and go 1, 2, 3, 4 in a straight line up, and we reach this point. Now on 5, I'm going to turn my wrist so the palm now faces outwards. And 6, 7, on 8, we are back into position and back into the Utpatti Mudra. So the first 4 counts we are taking to go up, and next 4 counts to bring the hand down back into position. Let's do this again. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. We repeat this with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn 6, 7, 8. So up, turn, and back into position. And this is why it is called the Urdhva Hasta Chakra. Urdh meaning up, Hast, hand. Chakra is taking that turn of the hand. Always remember that whenever we do any Hasta, whichever hand is moving or creating the movement, the other hand remains in its position and extremely still at Utpatti. So this is something that we have to be always aware of. Let's do this to the bowl. Ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat. That is the first Hasta. The second Hasta is when we will move from side to side. So Madhya Hasta Chakra. Madhya meaning middle or center. From the Utpatti, on 1 we are going to take the hand forward, going away from us in a circular motion, and we reach here at shoulder level. Now from the shoulder level we are going to pull the hand back into the center and back to Utpatti. The count remains the same. We will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Madhya Hasta Chakra. Let's do it to the bowl. Ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat. This was the second Hasta. The third in the same series of circular movements is the Tala Hasta Chakra, where now we will be taking the hands down. Tala means down or below. Again, coming back into Utpatti. Now we are going to start by dropping the hand in front of us, and we are going to turn and take this corner with the hand and also our body. From this corner, I am going to again pull back the hand in a straight line back. into position. The count is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it to the bull. Ta, thay, thay, tat, ah, thay, thay, tat, ta, thay, thay, tat, ah, thay, thay, tat. Hastak chakra. So these are the first three movements which are circular in nature. We will always be aware of the points that we are making with our hands. So in the first movement, if this is where I have made my point, both my hands should reach the exact same point when we are making the movement. This ensures a proper symmetry or geometry to our dance. Similarly, on the sides, make sure that you're reaching at both your shoulder level at straight points parallel to the ground, and the downward movement, make sure that you're creating this almost a 45-degree corner point on both the sides when you do the third movement. Also, we will try to integrate our bodies when we do the movement. So with the upward movement, we stretch the spine so that the upper body and the torso is also pulled up with the hand. Stretch and come back. Integrate your breathing. Breathe in and out. In and out. With the second movement, we will turn from our waist and come back. Turn a little from the waist and come back. In the third movement, the involvement of the body is a bit more because we are falling almost with our waist with the hand and then coming back. So here, the involvement is a bit more. This ensures that it is not just the Hastak which are involved in these movements, but also the upper body is also equally involved.